The sun painted the schoolyard in golden hues as children played joyfully. The sound of laughter and running footsteps filled the air. But in one corner, a child sat alone, quietly watching the others. Hands resting on his knees, he observed the games from a distance. Lina was a bright, energetic girl who spread happiness wherever she went. As she looked around, her curious eyes noticed the lonely child. A warmth filled her heart. Without hesitation, she walked over to him. She sat down beside him, offering a gentle smile. For a brief moment, silence hung between them. Then she reached out her hand, not just an invitation, but the first step toward true friendship. The child hesitated at first. His eyes remained downcast, his hands still resting in his lap. But Lina's warm smile and kind gaze gave him courage. He took a deep breath, grasped her hand, and stood up beside her. As they stepped onto the playground, the other children made space for them. They played ball, jumped a rope, and laughed together. The once shy child now glowed with happiness, his worries melting away. When the lunch bell rang, the children hurried to the cafeteria. Lina stood in line, waiting for her turn. Behind her, the shy boy hesitated, holding only a small piece of fruit. Without a second thought, Lina broke her sandwich in half and handed him a piece. His eyes sparkled with gratitude. In the classroom, it was time for group activities. Lina and her friends made sure to include their new friend. At first, he was hesitant, but soon he was sharing ideas, coloring pictures, and smiling. Feeling supported gave him the confidence he had been missing. As the day came to an end, Lina and her new friend walked out of the schoolyard together. Their steps matched as they strolled along, chatting and laughing. The sky turned pastel shades as the sun began to set. Just before parting ways, Lina removed her friendship bracelet from her wrist. With a big, loving smile, she tied it around her friend's wrist. A small gift carrying a deep meaning. The child looked at it in amazement, while Lina gave a gentle smile and waved goodbye. That day, a lonely child learned what true friendship felt like. And thanks to Lina's big heart, everyone saw how beautiful it is to make a new friend.
Reach out your hand, take mine today. Let's walk together in this bright, sweet day. Smiling faces, kind words, so true. Friendship makes the whole world shine like new. We laugh together, we share everything. With love, our dreams start blossoming. Kindness is magic, it warms every heart. When we're together, nothing falls apart. Come on, hand in hand, let's be the best of friends. Speak with love, be gentle and kind. Come on, hand in hand, let's let it shine. Fill the world with friendship divine. We play together, we share with care. A friend's helping hand is always there. A little thank you, a sweet please. Spreads love around like the soft warm breeze. If someone is down, be there to cheer. A simple smile brings joy so near. Kindness is the greatest gift of all. Like shining stars, it makes hearts grow tall. Come on, hand in hand, let's be the best of friends. Speak with love, be gentle and kind. Come on, hand in hand, let's laugh and shine. Fill the world with friendship divine. Kindness is small,